Is there a way to use phantoms in Python? I want to use phantoms in Python. I googled this problem but couldn't find proper solutions. I find os.popen may be a good choice, but I couldn't pass some arguments to it. Using subprocess.popen may be a proper solution for now. I want to know whether there's a better solution or not. Is there a way to use phantoms in Python?
The easiest way to use phantoms in Python is via Selenium. The simplest installation method is install Node.js. Using Node's package manager, install phantoms, npmg install phantoms prebuilt, install Selenium in your virtual env, if you are using that. After installation, you may use phantom as simple as if your system path environment variable isn't set correctly, you'll need to specify the exact path as an argument to WebDriver.phantoms. Replace this with the following. References. This URL. How do I set a proxy for phantoms/GhostDriver in Python WebDriver? This URL.
Phantoms recently dropped Python support altogether. However, Phantoms now embeds GhostDriver. A new project has since stepped up to fill the void, Ghost.py. You probably want to use that instead.
Now since the GhostDriver comes bundled with the Phantoms, it has become even more convenient to use it through Selenium. I tried the node installation of Phantoms, as suggested by Pickler, but in practice I found it to be slower than the standalone installation of Phantoms. I guess standalone installation didn't provide these features earlier, but as of v1.9, it very much does so. Install Phantoms, this URL. If you are on Linux, following instructions will help this URL. Install Selenium using pip. Now you can use like this.
Here's how I test JavaScript using Phantoms in Django. mobile/test_no_js_errors.js. mobile/test.py. Run tests. Manage.py test mobile.
Jo, vänta senare. Läser från sidor subscribing.